Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. So we are starting the first day of the July postcard play challenge. And this is the postcard that I'm going to be working on today. So yeah, number one, we are ready to go. So let's see what we are able to come up with. I kind of made up a rule for myself that is going to be kind of a summer themed because I'm trying to force myself to do things that are a little more happier. So that's what I've been doing lately, is trying to work on things that are happier. So I cut out a bunch of magazines and stuff that I saw that really caught my eye that kind of made me think of summer. And yes, I have a bunch of stuff. So that's kind of where we're going with this. Now, I don't know how it's gonna go. Maybe we should make it like this. And it's okay if some of the birds get covered up. I'm okay with that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I made these stamps as well, just, you know, out of some chipboard or cardboard or whatever you want to call it. I made these stamps out of craft foam and, you know, some chipboard that I had saving in my stash. And it's the same way that I made these. So we're going to utilize these throughout my journey here. And right now I'm just going to kind of pick what I want here. Of course, we know that we're going to have a 1 somewhere in here. Maybe not that one. Let's see, somewhere that's green. Maybe we can cut that out and put that somewhere on here. So I just have a bunch of stuff like to the left of me. And a bunch of stuff that I found in magazines. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing, is using magazine cutouts and like some of the stuff that I had in my stash. So like these I printed out on some sticker paper, and it's actually clear, like it's a frosty clear picture. So maybe we'll add a piece of this, utilize this part. And then, of course, we're going to have something in the center, of course. Maybe we can make this like the backdrop for it. I found this one. I was thinking about trying to incorporate this in there. Let's see, I'm looking for something that's green. Here we go. Now, it's a fun time. I found a bunch of stuff. Ooh, watermelon. Oh, do we have something here? I don't know, maybe we'll change that one to relax. Is correct. That I'm kind of liking that, but I kind of want to add something more to the background here. Maybe not too much, but I have a little tiny sunflower picture. Is it too much? I don't know. I tend to go a little overboard with things. And yeah. Let me take a gander here at the ones that I haven't cut out. Oh, Neo. Neo loves to join me while I'm doing stuff, but I have the gel plate out today, and this is just in case I decide to add extra stuff or to use it as a stamp pad. Oh, here we go. here's something. I like this. Let me put everything away here. Make sure. Now, the question is, how big do I need this? I was going to say, where's my scissors? Got buried underneath everything. See, I kind of want to, I don't know. Maybe I should replace this with like a strip of that. Let's see. Let's just do it. We're going to see how this turns out. All right. Let's get that out of there. Let's put that there. And well, now I can't use that because it doesn't make sense to use that. This, I am going to cut this down a little bit. It's so hard to cut magazine stuff out. I think I ruined that July, maybe not. I kind of don't want all of this. There we go. That's better. Let's put those over there. July 1. Oh, I kind of like that. It kind of covers up a lot of the birds, but you can still see them there. I am going to add some extra stuff underneath, so let's get some of this out of here. Even this would look kind of neat. No, let's leave it. Simple, let's keep it simple, right? For now, we're just starting out here. Okay, so this is how I kind of want this. So I don't want to lose any of my elements here. You know what? Maybe we should try to put that relax into a label. But I don't know if it's going to exactly work out like that. Let's see. That could look cute. We'll see. I'll leave it out and see how it goes. But we're going to add some extra elements to this. So I'm going to get some paint, and I think I'm going to use this little dot thing and just kind of, you know, try not to cover too much of it, but we'll use a color that's close to some of the stuff here. Either this blue or this blue, I don't know. This is more of like a, I don't know, a teal color. Let's go with this one. There we go. For the most part, it's clean. And this way I'll kind of help clean that off. Very good, very good. All right, so let's add a little bit of this kind of, I don't know, golden brown color on top of it. Or maybe white. Let's add white on top of it, actually. There we go. I think that's really coming together. I like that. I think that's where, I don't know, I feel like it needs more bright colors, like a purpley. Let's just add a little bit of purple here. like my style is going to be kind of, I don't know what my style is at this point. Junky? Grungy? I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and lose my stuff. Oh my god, where'd the July go? Great, I lost July. Excuse me while I find it. Okay, it's okay, I found it. It was under my postcard the entire time. So here we go. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and glue all this down and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are all glued down and this is what it turned out to be. And I'm going to add some bird stamps here. Go right there. And I think this is going to be the first one done. I'm going to put this little feather probably right here in this corner. This little feather, I think it's a feather. I don't know. It looks like a feather to me. Let's get a little bit more ink on that. Or maybe I should put it up here. No, we'll put it right here. All right. So, you know what? I know I said that's probably going to be it, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a pin here and I'm going to go make like a border around this. All right. So there we go. There is a July 1st complete. I need to back my work with some cardstock or something. So I'm going to do that and then this will be fully done. So I'll be back and I will, you know, say bye. All right, so there it is. There is my first postcard for July. And yeah, I think I kind of like it. It's different. I mean, I kind of went out from what I normally do and also kind of decorated the back. Yeah, and yet I glued on a plain white background and of course I had ink on my fingers. So I got ink on it, but I mean, it is what it is. But here it is decorated. I was thinking, well, you could mail it, you know, vertically, or you could mail it like this. So that way you put the stamp there and then you can write in the address here, or you can mail it like this, you know, and you still have a spot there to write in. And there it is. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me on this July postcard play challenge. I think it's gonna go pretty well, so we'll see how the second one goes. This is for July 1, so as you can see, July 1. So I hope y'all have a nice day today and a crafty day at that. So I'll see y'all later in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.